Hi there, welcome to Friday's market commentary. We had kind of a flat day on Friday. It was a little bit positive, but flat. The good news is that we held on to our gains this week and we didn't really sell off into the Friday close, which is very positive for us. So let's take a look here at the S&P 500. You can see support down here around 667. We'll call that 667 here for support. And we're starting to bounce up a little bit, coming back up into our resistance areas. I'm going to call going across here. I'm going to call this line coming across here 803. We're going to call that our resistance coming across. We do have one right about where we are right now here, pretty close to 750, which is right here. But we've just got the MACDs just starting to turn positive on here. And I'm feeling a little short-term neutral to bullish, so I'm going to call resistance at 803, maybe just above 800, but right in through here. So this low back in through here, and again low back in through here towards the end of January. So resistance 803, support 667. We got our MACDs just starting to turn positive, so I'm feeling a little short-term neutral to bullish. Neutral because we're still in an overall downtrend that's really having an effect on the marketplace. But bullish because we're finally getting our first real sustained bounce here. We've had 4 days in a row on the S&P 500 that were up days, and we just don't see that too often. We get 4 days in a row on the upside. So we're going to go short-term neutral to bullish, longer-term bearish with support at 667 and resistance at 803, right around the $800 level. All right, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. And here's a chart of the NASDAQ, which was up just slightly. It was a really flat day for us on NASDAQ, but you can see support down here at around 1266, so we'll call that support. That's a pretty easy one to kind of pick out. Resistance is going to be a little more difficult because we've got a few of them coming up. You can see we just broke above this little support back in through here, which was our resistance, kind of moved above it both Thursday and stayed above it on Friday. So we've got another one right in through here. We've got kind of a few of these to work with. I'm going to go just a little bit higher and call this low right in through here, right about 1515, which is resistance through here, support through here, resistance right in through. I'm going to call it around 1515 for my next resistance level. Now, there are a few of them in there, so it might go anywhere between 1475 to 1515. But I'm seeing a good little bounce just starting to happen here, which is the markets are so oversold that they're ready for just anything to give it a little boost. Longer term, I'm still overall bearish, but I'm going to call short-term resistance around 1515 and short-term support around 1266, with my short-term indicators being slightly neutral to bullish and longer term still bearish overall. I hope that helps. Good luck with this and happy trading.